Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is neutralization. Previous class we discussed acids and bases and natural indicators around us. Today we discuss neutralizations. Okay? And what is neutralization? Neutralization is a chemical reaction in which acid and a base reacts quantitatively with each other. Okay, natural neutralization is the one of the example of the chemical reaction. Okay, acids and a base reacts quantitatively with each other. Okay, that is called the neutralization. And next we discuss neutralization in everyday life. What are the indigestion, ant beat, soil treatment, and factor waste? These are the neutralization in everyday life. First we discuss indigestion. Our our stomach produce hydrochloric acid which help in digestion of foods. Our stomach produce the hydrochloric acid. This acid help in digestion of foods. But sometimes of the stomach release too much of acid which leads to hyperacidity. And sometimes our stomach releases too much of acids. That time we are suffering acidity problems. Okay, and hence we need to neutralize these acids by taking substances that are basic. Okay, in nature. That's time we are taking substance. What are the basic substance in nature? Commonly known as antacids. What are there? For example, milk of magnesia is a basic substance that can neutralize the acid of stomach. Milk of magnesia is the basic substance that can neutralize the acid of the stomach. Okay, I understand. Next we discuss ant sting and ant beat. Irritation of the skin due to ant beats it caused because of the presence of formic acids. The acid produced ants is called the formic acid. Okay, ants produce the formic acid, and that the ant injects into the skin will beating, and hence we use a basic substance to neutralize the effect. For example, what are they? Baking soda or hydrogen carbonate and calamine solution or zinc carbonate are generally used to treat ant beets. Okay, and next we discuss soil treatment. Plants need a soil which is neutral in nature, but using chemical fertilizers on soil can turn it into acids. And farmers use the chemical fertilizers into the soil. And NPK fertilizers are NPK. NPK mean nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus. And these chemical fertilizers contain more acids. And to treat acidic solution, we use quicklime. Quicklime means calcium oxide, or slacked lime means calcium hydroxide. Okay, and basic solution can be treated by adding organic substance to it as they release acids will decomposing into the soils. And sometimes farmers use the waste materials and waste things. Okay, I understand. And next we discuss about factor waste. Factors waste is acids in nature and cannot be directly dumped anywhere, and hence bases are added to it before it falls off into a river or streams. Okay, factors waste release the directly into the rivers and some places, and before we fall we use basic solution add to it before it falls off it into a river or streams. Okay, so that aquatic leaves so that aquatic life does not get affected. Okay, and factory waste is acidic in nature and cannot be directly dumped anywhere, hence bases are added to it before it falls off into a rivers or streams so that aquatic life does not get affected. Okay, these are the neutralizations in everyday life: indigestion, handbeat, soil treatment, and factory wastages. Okay, I understand. Thank you all of you.